There have been new developments in Queensland's deadly Hendra outbreak, with a dog and 2 more horses testing positive to the virus. Biosecurity officers are still investigating the outbreaks and are concerned over the second case of Hendra transmission to a dog. Last year, another family pet had to be put down on a property southwest of Brisbane. The animal in North Queensland is undergoing further tests.
Just a week ago, a horse from this North Queensland property died from the Hendra virus. The owners and their pets underwent testing. Now results suggest one of the dogs may have the deadly virus.
There has only ever been one other recorded case of a dog being infected with Hendra virus.
Biosecurity Queensland says the virus was detected in the dog's faeces, but what isn't clear is whether the animal has actually contracted it.
If the dog has become infected, we'd expect that the antibodies will be built up to that virus and we'll be able to detect that in blood samples.
Dr Simmons says conclusive results will be known in a fortnight.
What we're doing is just retesting. We really do need to reconfirm that test before we do anything else. The family understand the likely consequences of it being positive, but we're not at that stage yet.
Biosecurity officers have also returned to a Rockhampton property where a horse died from Hendra last week. The latest results show that 2 more horses have tested positive to Hendra.
Specialist Hendra officers from my department are on the property as I speak, collecting samples to retest these 2 horses.
Those results should be finalised in a couple of days.
If they are positive, the national policy is that positive animals are to be destroyed.
Queensland Health says 10 people who came into contact with the dog and the horses on both properties have a low risk of infection. Since 1994, 4 of the 7 people who've contracted the virus have died. Property owners are warned to keep their animals away from flying fox colonies, which are known to spread the virus. A vaccine for horses is expected to be available next year. James Kelly, ABC News.